Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in today's video I will be showing you the lock and unlock features on your vehicle. This is where you can adjust the relock timer, the auto locking and unlocking of the doors, and the volume of the feedback tones. Keep in mind that customizations vary among each vehicle, so this may not be applicable for your Toyota. And thank you to all of you who commented and requested this video idea. It's very helpful and appreciated. Let's get started. For reference, I'm sitting in a 2021 RAV4 XLE, but this head unit is very similar across all newer models. First, we are going to click the menu button. Then you are going to find Setup and click on that. Your menu also may say Settings depending on the head unit. Rotate through the left-handed menu until we find Vehicle. Click on that. Now click on Vehicle Customization. This menu will vary across models depending on what features are included or available on your vehicle. For now, we are going to focus on the door lock settings, so let's click on that. Let's go through some of the options we have on this RAV4. At the top, you can set the doors to lock automatically when you shift out of park and to unlock automatically when you shift into park. You can also choose what doors will unlock when you press the unlock button on your key fob once. You can have it set to all doors for convenience or driver's door for safety. You have a relock timer. If you unlock the vehicle when it's parked and turned off and no one enters the vehicle within 60 seconds, it will automatically lock the doors again. You can also set this to 120 seconds, 30 seconds, or off. If you scroll down to the bottom, we have options to turn the feedback lights on or off. So you don't have to have the four-ways flash when you are locking or unlocking the vehicle. It is a nice feature for peace of mind or when you're trying to locate the vehicle, but some people may not like it. And then we have the feedback volume. So this is the volume of the beep you will hear when you're pressing the lock or unlock button on your key fob. Right now, mine is set at 5, but you can increase or decrease it to your liking. At the end, you can always click the home button to return back to your main screen. And that is a quick little demonstration on how to access your vehicle's customization and special attention to how to adjust lock and unlock settings on your Toyota vehicle. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.